How to start a career in the car mechanic industry. Do you love cars? Does this machine intrigue you? Then find a profession you are passionate about. Watch this video till the end to know everything about car mechanics and how to start a career in this industry. The job of a car mechanic includes repair, testing vehicles and customer counseling. First, you can take a diploma or a certified online course to gain the skills and knowledge. Then do an apprenticeship for practical learning. The ability to repair and maintain vehicles and tools. Analytical thinking. Teamwork. You can work in workshops or garages, become a motor tester or perhaps motorsport engineer. You can even start your own business. A car mechanic needs to know the vehicle like the palm of their hands. Even a small mistake can cause great damage to the car. To learn about the A to Z of car mechanic, enroll in the car mechanic training course today from One Education.